Welcome, here I've got REALME Narzo 35G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button. When we pick it, we can open the camera settings. Now let's focus on advanced settings. When we tap to them, we get access to flip selfie at the first position, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off our camera mirror effect as we need. And when we have it turned on and want to use it, we have to remember that this can only work when we use the front camera, so of course we have to change it from the back one to the front by tapping on this button from the right. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.